Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can increase the RAM in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the File Explorer. So if you have your File Explorer here in the taskbar, simply make a tap on that, or in the desktop you can also do the same. And if you haven't, then you can just go to your Windows Search tab and there type File, and then you will get under Best Match the File Explorer option. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to this PC option here in the left pane, and once you click on that, you will get the devices and drives. So please make a right click on the blank space there and then click on the properties option. Once you will do that, you will get this settings window coming up. Let me just close this one. So here all you need to do is just to go to the system or advanced system settings. So please make a click on the advanced system settings, and once you have done that, you will get this system properties window coming up. Let me just move this one. So here you will get this performance option, and just below it is the settings option. So please make a click on that, and then you will get this performance option window coming up. All you need to do is just to go to the advanced tab, and then once you click on that, you will get this virtual memory option just at the very bottom part. So here all you need to do is just to go to click on this change button, and you will get the virtual memory window. So please uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and then once you have done that, you will be able to click on the C drive here. And if you have other drives, please select the main drive that you have, and then once selected, proceed with the custom size. Now once you click on this one, you will now be able to click on the initial size, or to enter the value for the initial size and maximum size in MBs. So to know the initial and maximum size, all we need to do is just to go back to this installed RAM first. So we have 8 gigabytes of installed RAM, and we will compute this one using the calculator. So 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB. So we will be multiplying that into our installed RAM, and the initial size should be 1.5 of the original size or original RAM. So to do that, simply open first your calculator, and then once the calculator is already open, we can now multiply it. So we have 8 RAM, so we should type 8 multiplied by 1024 MB, since 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB, and then click on equals. So we have 8192. Multiply it again with 1.5, and then click on equals, and then we have now the initial size, which is 12,288. So let me just copy this one and paste it in here. And for the maximum size, it should be 3 times of the RAM. So we can do that by doing the same process, multiplying again the 8 RAM by 1024 MB times, this time we will not multiply it by 1.5, we will multiply it by 3. Now once you have done that, click on equals, and now we have the maximum size. So once you have gotten the maximum size, just copy it, paste it in here, and then once you have done that, please select this OK button here, click on apply, and then click on OK. Click on apply, click on OK again. Just close these windows and then make a quick restart with your device, and you will now see a great change with the RAM, or you will see an increase of the RAM of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.